Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make battery charge level indicator both with LM3914 and without it. But first I will request you to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. To start with, the brain of the circuit is a Texas Instruments LM3914 or dot or bar display driver. LM3914 is generally used to drive LEDs and LCDs. Bar or dot display mode can be selected externally. It can be expanded to displays of 100 steps. Internal voltage reference from 1.2 volt to 12 volt and can be operated from as low as 3 volt. The inputs operate down to ground and the output current can be programmed from 2 mA to 30 mA. Pin 1 and pin 10 to 18 are connected to the LEDs. Pin 2 is connected to the battery ground. Pin 3 is given the positive supply from the battery. Pin 4 and pin 6 and 7 is used to program the output current to the LEDs. Pin 5 gets the positive supply from the 10K preset. Pin 8 is connected to ground and pin 9 is used to select the dot or bar mode. These all components are required for this build. First of all, IC base is soldered, then the 3 resistors with value 56K, 18K and 3.9K is placed along with the 10K preset. The mode selection switch and the battery input terminal is fixed. And at last LEDs are placed. The other way to build without LM3914 is by connecting all the 5 LEDs in series and each one of them is connected with 1K current limiting resistor. Here, as the forward voltage of each LEDs are reached, one after another LEDs light up. It has a range of 1.5 volt to 12 volt DC. These all components are required for this build. To build the same, all 5 LEDs are placed on the perf board. And the 5 current limiting resistors are fixed. Here I am testing the LEDs only version. I gave a 12 volt and started to turn it down to 1 volt, at which all the LEDs will turn off. This time I turned up the voltage to 12 volt. The next is the circuit with LM3914 at its heart. I started testing it with 9 volt and slowly turned it down to 6 volt, at which all the LEDs turned off. Next, I set the 10K preset to 12 volt and the lowest value to check was 9 volt. Here I toggle the mode selection switch from bar type to dot type display mode of the LEDs. Here I tested a 9 volt rechargeable battery which showed it is not fully charged. If you like this video, please press the like button and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.